one question. Solve. Okay, 2x square minus 8 equals to 0. So 2x square that would be equals to, I'll bring this 8 to another side. Okay, I'll bring this 8 to another side. So then after x square would be equals to 8 divided by 2, which is, sorry, it's divided by 2, which is 4. So here we know x square equals to 4. X square equals to 4. To find x value, we have to make square root for this 4. X would be equals to plus or minus square root of 4. This is the important thing. Okay, this is the place where most of the students struck. Okay, they will forget to indicate this plus or minus mark. Okay, when you are indicating a square root to another side, you should it's compulsory to indicate plus or minus sign. So x would have, okay, here square root of 4, that would be 2. Okay, that would be 2. Solve means you have to find solutions for this x. So one solutions that would be positive 2. Another solution, x is equals to negative 2. These are the two solutions we can obtain by solving this equation. Okay, by solving this equation. But otherwise, without doing this method, another method also possible. For that, you should factorize. You can select 2 as a factor. So when you select 2, x square minus 4, which is equals to 0. Okay, x square minus 4, which is equals to 0. So then let's bring this 2 as a dividend. X square minus 4, which is equals to 0 divided by 2. That's again 0. We can denote it as 0 again. Then after, we have to factorize x square minus 4. So we can factorize it as x square. 4 is a square number. No? X square minus 2 square equals to 0. So what is the common type? We already studied a square minus b square. So if there are squares in between, if we have negative sign, we can indicate it as a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. That is the form we have to implement over here. So it would be x minus 2 into x plus 2 equals to 0. X minus 2 into x plus 2 equals to 0 by factorization. Then finally, it would be when you solve x minus 2 equals to 0, that will give you, I'll write over here, x minus 2 equals to 0. When you solve that, x would be equals to positive 2. Okay, positive 2. If you solve the second one, x minus 2 equals to 0, plus 2 equals to 0, that will give you x as negative 2. X as negative 2. These are the solutions for x. Okay, I'll repeat once more quickly. Yeah. I brought this 8 to another side, and after division, I obtain x square equals to 4. To find square root of this one, I have to, it's must to indicate plus or minus sign. So x plus or minus square root of 4. Square root of 4, that is 2. So we can indicate one answer as x equals to positive 2, another one as x equals to minus 2. Otherwise, by factorization, you can follow this method. First of all, we can select 2 as our factor. So that will give you x square minus 4 equals to 0. Then we can bring this multiplicand 2 as a dividend. So x square minus 4 equals to 0. This one is a square number. So we can write it as x square minus 2 square equals to 0. X minus 2 into x plus 2 equals to 0. So finally, x will be equals to 2 or x is equals to minus 2. Another important thing you should understand, okay, don't memorize what's happening over here. Okay, why we are indicating plus or minus sign over here. You should know that because when you find minus 2 square, okay, minus 2 square, so minus 2 into minus 2, that will give you minus into minus plus 4. Plus 4. When you find plus 2 square, okay, plus 2 square, plus 2 into plus 2, that one also will give you plus 4. Plus 4. That's why if the square root value is negative 2 or positive 2, in both cases, that will give you 4. So there are two possibilities to obtain 4 as our square number. In positive instance, another one is negative instance. That's why we are indicating plus or minus sign over here. That is the explanation for plus or minus sign when we are converting a square to square root. That's why we are indicating both signs together.